Elevate your space, a stylish interior design journey. Hey, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is an absolute treat for anyone looking to transform their space into a haven of style and comfort. Get ready to be inspired as we dive into the world of interior design. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let's get started. Trendy design inspirations. First things first, let's talk trends. Join me as we explore the hottest interior design inspirations for 2024. From chic color palettes to innovative furniture designs, we've got the inside scoop on what's in vogue this season. DIY decor hacks. Now, who says you need a huge budget for a stylish space? Today, I've got some budget-friendly DIY decor hacks that will instantly elevate your home. Get ready to unleash your creativity and add that personal touch to every corner. We've taken on a room makeover challenge, and you won't believe the stunning transformation. Watch as we turn a plain room into a stylish haven using budget-friendly decor items and clever design tricks. Living in a smaller space? No problem. In this segment, we're tackling the challenges of small spaces and sharing genius solutions to make the most of every inch. Get ready for some space-saving magic. And there you have it, a whirlwind journey through the world of interior design. Segment 5, Q&A and Viewer's Choice. I hope you're feeling inspired to bring some of these ideas into your own space. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow design enthusiasts. Until next time, stay creative and keep designing the life you love. Outro.
Oh my god! Amazing!
Bye for now.